talk. Now, if you know nothing about these computers, you'll be pleased to know that these were very popular in England. Not very popular in America, unfortunately, but very popular over in Great Britain. This computer came out in 1992, so it's 25 years old. It's getting on a bit. She's an old girl, but she still goes along nicely. You can see I've got a sound system out. That's for good reason. This thing is very good at playing music. Very, very good. And I'm going to demonstrate that, but I'm also going to show some other things, or at least try to. But first we'll show the system configuration of this thing. So it's got the 68020 processor, so an upgrade from the 500 I have. Quite an upgrade. This one's got a expansion which gives it, I think it's an extra 6 megabytes of memory, no, 4 meg. Yeah, 4 megabytes of fast RAM. And it says it's got 1.568 megabytes free of graphics memory. That's quite a bit. Well, it's got a relatively nice graphical interface, as you can see. Yeah, it's probably a bit nicer than Windows 3.1, but not as good as Windows 95. So the first thing I'm going to show you is, of course, Octamed, because for me, Octamed was a huge part of my childhood, just because of what it could do, and I will demonstrate that with, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this. One big thing you got to remember about the Amiga is that you one-click, not double-click things. So, what should I play? Well, how about the Doctor Who theme? Here you go, check this out. The Doctor Who theme song on the A1200. This is great. And yes, you can multitask on this computer. I'm playing music while going through this. You can't do that on Windows 3.1. So this computer is fully capable of multitask operations. Here's another one for you, you'll know. It's Hadaway's What Is Love. I'm only going to play a little bit of this just in case I do get flagged. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. It does sound almost hi-fi. So, I mean, that does sound good. And the good thing is how fast it loads up. Unfortunately, the hard drive in this has a bit of an issue, as you can see. It gets a bit moody, and it likes to restart. As you can see, software failure. It's not a meditation guru error, which means left click, it will fix itself. Thank God. That's kind of like the blue screen that you can get out of for Windows. See, it boots back up, it's happy. For now. Basically, the hardware's got bad sectors, and that's what's causing a lot of the issues. Being a 25-year-old computer, I'm surprised the hard drive works at all, but it's quite a modern drive. It's actually IDE, and it's 260 megabytes, which is quite impressive. So I'm just going to have a little look around what's on this computer. DOS drivers gets me confused. I wonder if it means MS-DOS. Multi-view. Oh, I know what we could look at. This is a bit of software I used when I was a kid quite often. We'll go medium resolution because we're feeling a bit povo today. Here we go. Oh man, graphics on Amiga mouse is quite hard. Yeah, there's 16 colours. Color wise it's pretty nice, but I'm gonna probably see if I can open up, find some clips. Oh, for God's sake, this hard drive is a pain in the butt. Hard drive. No, not that drive. Deluxe paint. Animations. Let's try this. No, I don't want to change the format. So this is an animated image. I don't know how to get it to play, unfortunately, because the Amiga I had didn't support any of this. I'm guessing this is a mermaid flying around. I don't know. So we'll quit out of that since I don't actually know how to use that properly. It's not the version I know. So you know what the music capabilities of the system are. Sorry there's no scripting or anything on this video, I just want to show off the capabilities of this computer, because it is a cool computer. It could have been better for its time, but let's see if this will load. Jet Strike. See if it'll work. The bad sectors on this hard drive kind of kill it. Ooh, AGA. I wonder if that's a reference to its accelerated graphics. Oh, there we go. I bet you it needs a bloody joystick, doesn't it? Yeah. It's gonna be it needs a joystick. Or it's frozen. Yep, I'd say it's frozen. The only problem with vintage computers is that, yes, every so often they do bugger up. Now if I fix the hard drive, the system wouldn't have any problems. But, as always, it comes back to life. It always starts back up though. It's a loyal machine. It's a happy computer. Let's see if Aladdin will work. It's doing something. It's dropping memory. It just whatever it was, it just consumed 2 megabytes of memory. So, you're on hard drive. I don't know how to escape. What was the escape code? Yeah, fuck it. Well, that's a look on the exterior of it. Let's crack it open and have a look inside. So, in closing statement, do I think it's a good idea to get an Amiga 1200 in 2017? Well, yeah, absolutely. Get one. They're awesome computers. You have a lot of fun with these. And you're not limited by this display either. You can plug in a VGA monitor. It supports up to 640 by 480 in standard mode. You can go higher if you get a video upgrade card, which they do make, and they still today make accelerator cards for these computers, so you can definitely do some stuff with it if you want to. But just as a base machine, if you had one when you were younger, very nostalgic, and I can't recommend it enough just because it's an Amiga. I'm biased. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.